Have you ever wondered how a puncture of a tubeless tire is fixed? I thought, why not, make a recording of this for people like me who often get their tires fixed but then don't pay attention. So, now this tire, how to find out if there is a bubble in the tire? So, basically, they put the tire in a vessel full of water and then they check for bubbles. Now in this case they tried 2-3 times, but no bubbles were coming, and I was also watching closely, and I pointed out that perhaps this is the point where bubbles are leaking. So now we have found this shrapnel, and look at the amount of effort that is going in to extract that shrapnel. And two people are trying to get it out, and a lot of brawn and muscle strength is going in. And I'm also really taken by the narrow uh, you know uh, instrument that he's using, because generally there is a broad edged you know plier which is used. So this is quite thin, narrow. So now finally they have extracted it, and it's quite sharp. It's not a nail, it's just a sharp metal shrapnel. So now we are going to work out on the second bit, the other piece that they have found. Even though no air was leaking from this, but we all felt that this should also be extracted and fixed. Then they, after extracting it, there is a small tool that he brings and inserts it in the exact point where the shrapnel was before. And this tool is inserted with a lot of pressure, and it's rotated. So there, with that tool, there is a orangish rubber sort of a thing, rubber plastic mix, and it is covered with adhesive, and that's how that thing is pushed into the hole from where the air was coming, and then it sticks onto it. So in this case we tried it twice, and the first time it didn't go right and it teared up. So then again we tried it the second time, and then I was wondering, if how do they do it in the foreign countries, like maybe first world countries, how do they fix the puncture? By the way, Punjab mein it's not puncture, it's puncture. If you say is it a puncture shop, nobody will understand, and you are wrong, and therefore it's puncture. So puncture first world countries mein kaise fix hota hai? So I asked them, are you going to give a heat treatment after it's done? So I was educated on the fact that this small tire is, doesn't require heat treatment. Heat treatment is only given to heavy duty vehicles like trucks or buses which have a big tire. Obviously, because the air pressure is higher in that, so they need more heat treatment to fix it. Now in a semi SUV kind of tire, it's going to be fixed with the friction and the heat it receives from the road itself. So that's that. Let me know if you like it.